Megan here. We are going to do a light cardio, low impact, mixed style, a bit of aerobic workout today. Something just simple and easy if you're a mama who's getting back into working out after having the baby, or if you're somebody who's just been too busy that you haven't done exercise in a long time. This is a great workout to do. We get the body moving, we get all of the body moving from head to toe, but just enough to elevate us without making us too exhausted, especially if we haven't worked out a lot. So just walking on the spot for me, just nice and simple to start out with. We're going to warm up our bodies. Okay, just do a gentle side step for me. We just want to get our bodies moving, okay? So reach up, out, up, out, up, out. Keep going, just give me a few. Nice and easy. Okay, back to that walking for me. Now I want to just, some gentle kicks. Get that blood flowing through the body. Okay, now just give me some simple jabs out the front. Nice, simple. Okay, back to a walk. Go. So, starting off really simple. It's all going to be simple. Easy things that you can do. We'll do a little bit of a break in between each one. So, we're going to side step. Nice and big. And then I want you to add in some arms. So, you're going to open and close them. And when you're pulling them out, I want you to feel like you're squeezing something between those shoulder blades. Now, give me 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now, as a break between each one, we're going to step diagonally and we're going to go 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Forward again. 2, 3, 4, back. 2, 3, 4. Okay, next we're going to do some side leg lifts. So you're just lifting that leg out to the side and you're going to hold your arms out. So just as high as you can go, so you can just go nice and low like this, or a little bit higher if you want to. Okay? One leg staying straight, one leg's going out. Give me 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, remember that little move we did before? Crisscross up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back. 2, 3, 4. Forwards. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back. 2, 3, 4. Now we're going into lunges. Give me a nice easy lunge. Alternating legs. And as we're done, give me 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, back to our little crisscross. 1, 2, 3, 4, back. 2, 3, 4, forwards. 2, 3, 4, back. 2, 3, 4. Now I want you to go into a side lunge. So lunging it to the side. Just as reach as you are happy to, able to, comfortable with. All right, let's do 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. All right, that little crisscross. 1, 2, 3, 4, back. 2, 3, forward. Just breaks it up a little bit. Okay, next we're going into what I call a knee lift. So you're going to lift those knees up. I'm going to hop those arms round onto our hips. This way we're getting our tummy moving as well as our lower body. All right, let's do 20. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You know what's coming. Crisscross. 3, 4, back. 2, 3, 4, forward. 2, 3, 4, back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, get those knees back up for me. And now we're going to do what I call the standing crunch. So you're going to have those arms up. You're going to bring it down into a crunch motion. All right? So suck that belly in. Pull your belly button to your spine. And get a crunch happening. Let's go. 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. What time is it? Crisscross. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Forward. 1, 2, 4. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to do what I call a side crunch. You're going to bring that leg up. You're going to bring the other arm down. So we're doing a little crunch motion on the side to help these hips and our waistline. 20 each side. So we'll do the right side, then we'll do the left side. All right, so bring that up and that down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, other side, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Time for our little crisscross. 1, 2, 4. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Forward. 2, 3, 4. Back. 1, 2, 3, forward. Okay. Now I'm going to do what I call standing toe touch. So you're going to reach for those toes. Opposite hand to opposite leg. Those legs are coming up nice and straight. All right. Let's give me 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Crisscross time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, time to get those arms moving. Let's start nice and simple with some arm circles. So firstly, we're going to go clockwise, nice and big for 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Back the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Crisscross. 2, 3, 4. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Next, we're just gonna walk on the spot, and I simply just want you to reach up. Okay, reach up, then touch your shoulders. Okay, do that for me 20 times. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Crisscross. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Forward. 1, 2, 4. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Forward. 1, 2, 4. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Walking on the spot again. I'm going to keep that lower body moving while we do the upper. So this time, instead of reaching up, you're just going to push to the front. Okay, nice and simple. Just push to the front. Get those arms moving. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Crisscross. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Forwards. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Walking on the spot again. Now we're going to do a combo going. All right. Go up for me. Out, down, and back out. Up, out, down, back out. Up, out, down, back out. Out. Okay, give me another 10. That's 1. That's 2. That's 3. That's 4. That's 5. That's 6. That's 7. That's 8. That's 9. That's 10. Crisscross for me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Your last exercise for today is a low impact jumping jack. So instead of bouncing, you're just going to step out. Arms are going to come up. All right? This way it's not as stressful on your joints, especially if your body is not used to a high impact workout. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Last crisscross for me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There you have it. So this is what I like to call a low impact, light cardio workout. It's great for mums, great for women. You haven't done a hell of a lot of cardio exercise and want to ease into it. If you're somebody who's not long had a baby and our pelvic floor isn't as strong, the low impact can also help with that kind of thing. My name is Megan, and I have been following the Healthy Mummy 2.5 years now. And that 2.5 years, I have lost 20 kilos. So I created this channel so I can show other women what I do to exercise, to how I've gotten that, and so you can follow my journey and you can see what I'm up to. Take care. Bye-bye.